Hello everyone, I'm Hannah. I'm here to introduce a craft hobby that is good for when you stay at home. I will introduce painting by numbers. Have you ever heard about it? It's an easy way to paint something. I think many people want to get into painting, but it is not easy to start painting alone or paint something beautiful. Actually, I wanted to try painting, so I was looking for the way and found painting by numbers. You can buy some kits for this online. I bought this one online as well. It has a canvas with sketching, brushes, acrylic paint, and sealant. These paints are acrylic. You can use them like a watercolor. It's very convenient. But after they dry, the painting looks like an oil painting. You can see the numbers on the canvas and colors. Just to check the numbers and corresponding color and paint. Now I will show you how to paint by numbers. I finished painting by numbers. Now I will paint the sealant to preserve the painting. Thank you for watching the video. Comment below what would you like to paint. Make sure like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.